OptiNAND is basically a new technology on our hard drive based solutions, which is flash enhanced technology. There are a lot of different new things which come into this technology. So first of all, it's not a dual drive sort of a technology that we just put in a NAND and hope that it works better or sell it as a new technology. It's a completely new technology, both in terms of the algorithms, the way the data is being written, and the hardware components in this technology, the way the data gets physically written on it. So what we have done it's a mixture of putting it, first of all, the iNAND solution in the hard drive, which takes away the recording of the metadata to being done on the cache, to be done on an iNAND. How it helps is it makes the writing very fast. So it enhances the writing speed of the data. And it also helps in whenever you are searching or reading that data, it helps in speeding up that read. So your metadata resides on the iNAND, which helps you find the data which you're looking for faster. The other, on a hardware side, on the structure of the OptiNAND, what we have done is that we are using a triple stage actuator. So initially, if you remember, the head and the media, the head was a straight thing which was writing on the media which was rotating at the bottom. Then we came out with a dual stage actuator that it used to move on the pivot as well, plus there was some movement which was possible towards the head. Now we have introduced in the OptiNAND solutions a triple stage actuator, which for the ease of understanding is something like your arm. So you have a shoulder, elbow, and a wrist, which makes your fingers work more better. So if you just imagine if you were working with two joints only, the articulation was very limited as compared to a triple stage actuator, which we are using in this. The other thing which we are using is the HelioSeal technology. Now, all these things which have made this thing possible are WD proprietary. So it's not as if it's a convergence of different technologies which already existed. All these are put together by the WD R&D team and our set of engineers. What it results in is, and how it is beneficial, or what the OptiNAND does in the end is that with that same footprint, we can have a much higher capacity, which is possible. So today, how it helps the world at large is that we can offer up to 20 terabytes on that same 3.5-inch drive. So if you look at it in terms of flash, just from a sheer cost perspective, it's going to be exponentially many times over more expensive than what we are offering. Comparing flash to a conventional mechanical hard drive, so both have an equal existence because the need or the existence is in different paradigms. So if you look at it from a flash storage perspective, flash is very ideal on the either ends of the spectrum. So either as a consumer, I would need flash in my mobile phone because I want it up and running there and then. I would like to click a picture and it should save. I would click an application and it should open. There should be no lag. So that's where we need flash, and I don't need huge amounts of storage. Although we as Western Digital do offer up to a 1 terabyte micro SD card, which is also the highest capacity in this lower end of the spectrum where the consumer needs flash. But also on the other end of the spectrum, which is mission critical data analysis or data savings in banks, R&Ds, I would say NASA or space, things where time is very critical. That's where we need flash storage because of the quickness of reading and writing of the data part. For everywhere else where you need quantity, where you need terabytes and petabytes of data in data centers, cloud installations, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learnings, where there's enormous amount of data getting created, accessed, getting worked on, or making that data into information. That's where hard drive resides. And that's the typical place where OptiNAND breaks that silo of space, because there are limited amount of slots available to these verticals or to these industries, and they want to have maximum amount of storage possible in those finite amount of slots.